alright, about another vid. We out with the G. Make a quick little vid for y'all. Show y'all what's going on. What happened to the G. G20. Show y'all a little quick update. So we got the G out. Looking clean. Got the gloss black wheels on it. Plan on lowering it down. She about to get a car wash soon. Got the carbon mirror caps. You got tinted. You know what I'm saying? Common spoiler. And then we got the quad tips on. About to put a custom diffuser on. Be looking mean. On the inside, we got the new intake installed. I'll show y'all that in a second. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? We got the lights all the way around this joint. It's all in the back, so pretty clean. But yeah, got the hood. You know what I'm saying? B48. We finally got the cold air intake in. Charge pipes at the house. We get a new charge pipe put in. Catless down pipes getting put in also. See those big turkeys down there. But yeah, she coming together for a winter tinted light shit. I'm gonna start her up so y'all can hear what she sound like now. Do sound a little crazy. But I'm gonna start up so you can hear it. It's call a little dirty, don't mind, you know what I'm saying? Got full sunroof up there, full deep, you know what I mean? But we'll start up for y'all. Yeah, she do sound a little chaotic. She sound chaotic out here. You know what I mean? You sound a little chaotic. But yeah, that's just a little walk around. We'll get it cleaned up and then I'll show y'all shit go. So we back cleaning the G. We about to back clean it one more time. Today it's gonna be cleaning day. We got some. I got with the phone burner. Right. You know what I'm saying? So we got it cleaned up. G20. G20 is clean, you know what I'm saying? Close the trunk. Yeah, got the G20 cleaned up. Look at me. Yeah, G20 all cleaned up. Everybody hit the road in a little bit. See y'all in a minute though. Peace.